If you would like to purchase this pre-built Shopify boutique, it is listed in the description. It is for sale and it comes synced with inventory, so you don't have to hold any. Link in the description for more info. All right, friend, let's get right back to it. I'm going to click online store and then customize. I kind of did already start this pre-built Shopify boutique, but I did not finish it. I just started with the header and the logo, which is what you are going to see me work on right now. I'm going to change the header to use code fashion10 at checkout. And then I did make the logo, but I didn't like the pink. So I'm going to go back to Canva and download the logo. Always want to download it as transparent, so the white square around the words, like don't show. So it's like pretty much invisible and clear. So that's what you see me here, uploading the logo straight from my desktop. And now I'm going to go back to Canva and make the banners. I will click custom size or design and do 2000 by 800. And I'm making like a Miami city girl, type pre-built store. So I typed in Miami background, as you can see under elements. I'm going to go ahead and turn down the transparency, and then I'm going to add my city girl to the banner. I'm going to go ahead and size her up, and then I'm going to remove the background. I would just click edit and then remove, and then I'm going to repeat the same process with the second model. I'm going to start filling up the middle of the banner with a couple of words. I'm going to do baddies in cursive, and then I'm going to add some more words underneath that.
I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these
Now I'm going to click add page and work on the second banner. I'm just going to add some palm trees, keep that Miami, city girl vibe. And I also will turn down the transparency on that. I'm going to add some more words and just make the second banner look, matching somewhat like the first banner. And I will add like another picture of another model. And yeah, you guys are just gonna watch me work for a little bit. Now I'm going to add the second model to the second banner. Just going to click edit, remove background, and then I'm going to center her, and then I'm going to add an element, a square at the bottom. I'm going to change that white, and then I'm going to add some words, shop now, at the bottom of that square. Now time to work on the third banner. I'm just going to go ahead and click add page. I'm going to add some more words, and from the second banner I usually will just click duplicate as well. For like the words, if I want to keep like the same fonts, as you can see right here, it's a little bit easier. So I'm going to finish the third banner, and then I'm going to go back to Shopify and add the banners. So right here, I did type in snowflake background just to give the third banner some razzle, because since it's winter, but just want to give it that theme, a mix with the Miami, like holiday sale, but it's still Miami, we city girls. It's like a mix of both, you know what I'm saying? So then I'm going to add shop now on the little square element, and then I'm going to go back to Shopify and add the banners.
Give me any drug, I'ma get it off. I'ma slap on these fuck niggas every time they piss noise. Bitch, I'm tryna score, I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood with Obama rights. Just throw me the alley hoop, yeah. Bitch threw me the alley hoop, I fucked around and jumped. Got the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. You say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
This real ice, I don't need a flash for this shit. For this cash, got a bad bitch that'll do a trick. Designer down, I ain't take the tag off this shit. They ask me why, cause bitch, I paid a bag for this shit. I'm that type of nigga, get a rap check, go buy a brick. I'm the type of nigga, catch you hatin', I'ma slide your bitch. You with this shit, oh yeah, I ain't fit what side you with. Bad still coming in, all kind of shit. Foreign car driver, pull up all kind of whips. Trap nigga fashion, put on all kind of drip. Pat do gymnastics, nigga, I'ma make it flip. All these blue honeys on me, got them thinking I'm crazy. muscle. All this jewelry on, I ain't got no time to tussle. Looking like a brick, jumping out that motherfucker.
Cut the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
Hi, girl, shit. Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Tell him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Tell him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, hey. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, hey. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, hey. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm on your ass, bitch, I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit, hey. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
You know how they fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck her from the back and she nasty, killing her. No, I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Meg. This little thing is style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she done reversed. Got up on the dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, hey. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, hey. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, hey. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm on your ass, bitch, I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit, hey. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit. Look, I don't be stressing about none of these niggas. When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tune in when he say he gon' lick it. He told him send me a pic cause he missed me.
I hope this video helps someone. All links in the description, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.